Hi, I'm Carlos Carranza. This is SynaScale, the Silicon Enabling Reliability Policy Controller and Verification Harness. For in-memory compute on non-volatile memory arrays, drift and retention degrade stored states over time, which degrades inference accuracy. You can mitigate this with maintenance actions: verify, refresh, or reprogram, but those actions are limited by strict budgets, time, energy, write pulses, and shared peripheral contention. SynaScale makes this controllable, measurable, and auditable before tape-out and exportable to on-chip control. Here I run the same silicon-bound workload deterministically. I can run a baseline and then any budgeted policy, like the one shown on screen. The EvalKit generates run metadata, per-tile logs, and summary results you can use for pre-silicon decision-making. Now we compare accuracy versus hardware-facing costs, including pulse and contention budgets. The policy stays within budget, avoids starvation via coverage targets, and respects domains of contention through token gating. Now we can check the file generation and results. Finally, strict validation recomputes the accounting and confirms policy compliance budgets, contention limits, and coverage, reducing audit-grade evidence. Next step, a 4 to 8 week paid evaluation. I can share scope and success criteria. Thanks, and contact us for evaluations.